Digestive health and probiotics. Understanding your gut and maintaining a healthy gut is critical to overall health, which is why probiotics and a balanced microbiome play essential roles. Did you know that your gut not only helps digest the food you eat, but also affects your immune system? Bacteria, both good and bad, reside in your gut, but the balance between them determines your digestive and overall health. Let's journey into the world of gut health, starting with what probiotics are. Probiotics are live microorganisms, often referred to as good bacteria, that can provide health benefits when consumed. These benefits are mostly linked to digestive health and bolstering the immune system. A variety of foods are rich in probiotics, notably fermented ones like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kombucha. You might think of your gut as a complex ecosystem, where billions of bacteria and other microbiota play a crucial role. These microbiota help break down food components that your body cannot digest alone, like fiber from prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers used by these beneficial bacteria as fuel, aiding their growth and activity. Having a balanced diet filled with probiotics and prebiotics can lead to numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, enhanced immune response, and even a possible link to mood regulation through the gut-brain axis. But how can you incorporate these into your diet? It's not only about adding more yogurt to your breakfast. Think broader. Include a variety of fermented foods. Ensure a good intake of fiber-rich foods which act as prebiotics. And perhaps consider a probiotic supplement after consulting with a healthcare provider. Remember, maintaining digestive health isn't just about one or two foods. It's about holistic lifestyle choices that support your gut microbiome. Take this important step towards better health by understanding and nurturing your gut. Challenge yourself to incorporate these probiotic-rich foods into your diet and feel the difference in your overall health. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with your dear ones. See you in the next one.